Step 1. Add corrupted video. Download Wondershare Repairit on Windows. Start with adding the corrupted videos on the software surface. You can add corrupted videos in two ways. Click the middle area of the interface, add video and start repairing, or click the add button. Video repair supports video format, MOV, MP4, M4V, M2TS, MKV, MTS, 3GP, AVI, FLV, etc. It can repair multi-formats of videos at the same time. Step 2. Repair videos. After adding the corrupted videos, the interface shows the information of each corrupted videos as file name, file path, file size, video watching time, video resolution, and filming equipment. Click the repair button to initiate the video repair process. Once the repair action is completed, there appears a window telling you to save and preview the repaired videos. Click OK to save the repaired videos. Preview the repaired videos. Click Preview button to preview the repaired videos. You can check the video content to ensure that the repaired video files are genuine before saving them. If the repaired videos meet your expectation, then click the Save button to choose a path to save them. But please do not save videos to the path where you lost them. Wait for few seconds to save the repaired videos. Advanced Repair. Add sample video. If your video is severely corrupted or the repaired video quality doesn't meet your repair expectations, choose Advanced Repair to make a more professional video repair process to restore the video to perfect. Click the folder icon, add a sample video to repair. The sample video should have a valid file created with the same device and the same format as the corrupted video. The Advanced Repair mode uses the information from the sample file and repairs the corrupted video. Then Repairit will automatically check if the corrupted video and sample video are available to Advanced Repair function. Click Repair button. It will take some time to complete the advanced video repair process. Also, after the advanced video repair process finishes, a new window will appear to show that the process is completed. Step 3. Save the repaired videos. You can also double-click the repaired videos to preview its quality, then click the Save button and choose a target path to save them on your Windows. Please do not save the fixed videos to the path where you lost them.